Of the great and my favorite text-to-video generator, Hailuoai Max, has announced this great feature. About this feature, I can say that now you can control the angle and the camera movement in your entire videos. This was the feature that was missing in the AI world. But now this Minimax has comes with this amazing feature. Just check it out. You can track movement, you can track the angles, you can create the camera angles. Now this feature will make you the totally Bollywood director. And now you can control entire movie by yourself, what you want to do and how to do. So let's check it out in detail that what it is and how we can use this feature. So welcome to AI Tool Station, and today in this video we will explore what is this feature and how it works. If you didn't like my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. This is the option that has been announced by Hailuoai Max. So in the older version, it was not available, but this is the new feature, that is T2V01 Director. This is the new feature and it can only be available in text to video. It's not available in image to video right now, but you can use in text to video. So let's check it out how this works, and we will create several examples and check out the camera movement in the prompts. We will also compare the results with the klling AI, and we can compare both differences, that what klling AI can and what Hailuoai Max can't do. So let's write my first prompt and check out the angles of the movement. I'm writing a red field medic unzips a canvas bag near campfire. Okay, so the camera captures his fleeting glance towards the dark wood. So now what I have to do, I have to insert this camera movement. So let's check it out first. What are these and what are the options available in this? So this is left circling. The camera is moving from right to the left. This is right circling. The camera is moving from left to right. This is upward tilt. The camera is moving just like you tilt your head towards upward. This is left walking. It looked like that the camera is tracking this car. This is right walking. The same thing happens to the right while this is to the left. It's tracking to this girl by tracking to the right. So this is downward tilt, just opposite of that, and it's downward tilt. This is stage left. This is one of my favorite thing that you can do in this looks so real, and this is amazing feature. So this is stage right. From the moment you can go to the stage, this is left and this is right, and this is scenic shot, well defined and clearly visible. This is all cinematic shots. So let's check out what are the free selection. So this is truck left and this is truck right. The same thing you can do in the zoom left and right. This is pan left and this is pan right. So this is also great movement. A lot of videos. This is one of the angle that has been widely used in the cameras. Okay, so this is push in and this is push out. This is pedestal up. This is something that you can use in AI cinematic films if you're working on the full filming with AI. This angle is is going to be very helpful. This is tilt up and this is tilt down. This is zoom in. This is zoom out. So this is shake. You can use this feature, can also be used in AI cinematic films. This is tracking shot. The camera it looks like the camera is fixed behind your back, and it's just like it's look like that it is covering your head. And this is static shot. It also from the back and covering the wide view of the person. Okay, so let me tell you one thing here, that you can put only 3 combinations or 3 camera movements right now in the single prompt, and it should be very clear. The prompt should be very easy and clear so that the Minimax can capture that angle effectively. So let's select the camera. So you have to, I'm going to tilt down, and the next I'm going to let's say here I use the camera, it's like zoom in. Let's check this out. Zoom in. So create, and in the contrast, let me create this with the Klling AI. That also I'm going to create this Klling AI to check how this perform. Okay, let me tell you that also the Klling AI has this camera movement feature, but it can only be available in the 1.0. It's not available in 1.5 or even the new version of 1.6. It's only available in the 1.0. You can control the camera movement, but here the big difficulty is that you have given only this option, these 7 options. You cannot go beyond it. You have to use from this option. So this is the thing that only Klling allows, and Hailuoai Minimax is better than that. So let's check it out. I have inserted the camera angle movement here, also the here, and let's check it out with how it's made. So generate it. Let's check out Halo. It's 42%. You can use this feature from here, and you can select it. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so if you'll see just check this results. Just check it out. Oh my god, holy shit. See? It was tilt down first, and then it was the zoom in the face of this medic person. And if we check out this Klling AI, so it's just, I don't like the results of Klling AI seriously, because it should zoom in the face of this medic person, but it cannot. So I don't like this result. The results are quite impressive with Hailuoai Minimax, and this is the amazing results that we have been generated. So let's check another prompt, that how it works. A detective in long coat strolls through a rain-slicked street under dim street lights. The camera reveal the faint the camera reveal the faint silhouette of someone watching from the door away. So let's check this prompt, and the camera movement I'm going to put in the it's the tracking shot. I think it's the it's like the tracking shot. Let me insert. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. It should be like here. First one, it will be the tracking shot, and the second one, the camera should be like, it should be like pan right. So I'm using the pan right. The pan right. This is, and I'm going to copy this prompt and to paste in the klling to compare the results. Let's generate this, and let's generate this in klling and check out this out, that how this performs. Okay, the wait is over, and let's check the results. Okay, tracking shot, and someone, the sound of someone watching, and that panned right. So absolutely amazing results, amazing configuration. And just check this out. No, here it fails. The detective, the camera is yet somehow is doing the tracking shot, but I must say that there is no such thing like pan right or someone saying in the video. So I think this is something like, it's not working in the klling as just as working in the Hailuoai Minimax. So this is good, and let's check the another video, or let's check out the another one, that how this simple camera performs the action. So Will Smith, the famous Hollywood actor, all you know, eating spaghetti on dinner table. Next to him is Gordon Ramsay. Is eating salad. So I'm fixing the camera movement, and let me set zoom out. Again, I'm hearing this is not going to be work. First we have to set it there. I'm setting this zoom out and pedestal up. Let's zoom out, pedestal up, and this the Gordon Ramsay. I'm putting the it's like pan right is cool. So let's check this out. Pan right. We cannot create such thing in the klling because Hailuoai is a little bit open source, but I must say that we cannot create such thing in the klling. It will not create. Let's check out if it will create or not. But according to me, it will not create that video. So once again, check this out, that even the faces of not for Will Smith and Gordon Ramsay, but zoom out and pedestal up is quite good here, but it's not moving to the right. So klling AI doesn't perform action like that. But if you can compare the results of the klling with the Hailuoai Minimax, just check the result. This is zooming out also. This is pedestal up and then slowly moving to the right. See? So these are the amazing features. These are the amazing results that has been added in the Minimax software. That's why this is one of the greatest tool. This is one of the great AI video generator right now. So if you like the video, you can check this out. You can create the examples. You can check this feature from here. It's just available in the text to video model. please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.